Hello everyone. We are here today for our group assignment of business law, and we'll be choosing two issues regarding negligence tort and contractual law. In here, we'll be examining the laws that are applied in the everyday situation and can lead to a complex situation. In part A, we'll be examining the case of the negligence tort of law, which in another part B would examine also a contractual law putting a coin. There was no drink which came from a machine. It's Sutton and Brady 2015. We'll be further understanding the case also putting from the lens of the legal angle. In part A, issues in here the negligence form of the tort law is applied, and we will be understanding how the careless of inadvertent conduct can lead to the harm of damage causing automobile accident. This is one of the cases that can be avoided due to the negligent failing and would not be able to be held due to the right of way that can help to avoid accident and also be able to do something. It is caused due to the reckless or wanton conduct in the case study, which has to lead to the accident of the Anna. It was the irrational driving by the driver Michael, which has caused a reckless case, and it has also arisen the question of the safety and welfare for the others. As per this, there needs to be a strict liability that can be exercised and to be imposed that would lead to the absence of fault as part of the accident that can lead to the damage, harm to the Anna. There are four major part that has led this case, and that was first one is the negligence, second one the recklessness or wanton conduct, third one intentional misconduct, and the fourth one strict liability regardless of fault. The cause of the negligence would also mean how there can be a careless or inadvertent conduct that could cause harm or damage. So, in the given case, Michael is in the drunk state and also it's raining heavily, which leads Anna asking for the lift. As they drive midway, Michael happens to hit the tree, causing Anna to experience harm. She has a right to claim tort due to the negligence driven by Michael. So, to elaborate the case studies furthermore, I'd like to call my friend Manoj. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Soros, for giving me opportunity to explain the rest of the explanations of these presentations, which is I'm going to explaining. We just applied some applications and to explaining of the conclusion of these questions. So, which is apply the first applications is it is covered by under the law of negligence and limitation of liabilities Act 2008. And another is applied for under sections 561 transport will be able to section 65 damages, which is the first one, and the second one is as per sections it covered the damage which is include the form of monetary compensations along with the harm of that can be lead to the kind of includes. And the third one is injury or death can be happens and the damage of the property. And the third one is the economic loss. It's here like between the Anna and Michael's have some economic loss as well, because when the injury gonna happen, it's gonna be means personal or bodily injury would be include in these situations. And the last one is like something like physically, psychological and physically injury as well. And the conclusion as the questions of the case study, which is Anna will be able to successfully sue the Michael. I'm going to explain is from the given case study. It is important to note that Anna suffered an accident due to the heavy rainfall, and the Michael was reckless driving as was under the alcohol influence. It is had to cause Anna suffer from the Michael would be the testify and try it in the court. Anna claim the compensations due to the damage caused and harmful caused for her. And at the end, the further defense of the Michael, so which is we can only claim that the first he offered the safety for the Anna while offering a lift, but due to the rain he was unable to see what was on the road, but the defense would not be the agreed open. Thank you very much for the answers. So I'm going to call my another group members, Prachina.
Hello everyone, this is Prajina. I'm here to explain about the part B of the given assignment regarding to the contract between the customer, Kelly, and the vending machine private limited. In this case, the customer holds every right to able to claim the faulty of the physical damages that are within the given product and the services. As per the Australian consumer law, it guarantees the consumer right when buying the good and services. So Kelly also have a full right to claim for any faulty. As in this case study where Kelly went to the vending machine to buy the drinks, even she made the payment, she didn't get her drinks back. In here, there is the violation as per the Australian consumer law, in which the customer has been suffered from the faulty of machine. So Kelly have a full right to claim for the physical damage that she had gone through the vending machine. According to the section 3 of Australian consumer law, which cover as per the law which is able to offer and to be able to oblige the given guarantee right of the consumer, which would be regardless to the service and good, along with causing to the national rule which can happen on account of the unsolicited transaction. And as per the section 44F part of the Competition and Consumer Act 2010, which helps to examine how there can be a way to seek compensation that can also cover the loss and damages which would lead to the individual cause suffer, and it would also lead to the major problem of the services in light of the given product. This is covered in addition to the law which has caused the consumer to oblige per every right to claim as for the replacement, along with the cost of refund, repair on account and damages. Now I'm going to call my fellow member to continue my presentation. Susan?
Go.
Thanks, Regina, for calling me for the part of the presentation. Now, I would like to explain about the application and the conclusions regarding to the agreement between the Kelly and the vending machine private limited. In the given case, as Kelly was thirsty, she trusts the vending machine private limited of offering drinks. She has placed token amount, which is the agreement to pay and accept the offer of the drinks from the machine, but the machine accepted the payments and didn't offer the drink. Is a violation of the agreed contractual law between the vending machine private limited and the customer Kelly. Not only Kelly was stopped of the offered amount, but she was suffered of loss of not being able to quench her thirst. As per the Australian Consumer Law Section 3, it is best advised Kelly to file the claim with the SHU upon the vending machine private limited and also claim a compensation amount from the vending machine private limited additionally. As per the section 44F of the Competition and the Consumer Act 2010, Kelly can claim the fault machine issue which caused harm to the Kelly. In conclusion, in the given case, it is clear how the customer can also initiate the payment and the procedures for the claim compensation that can also cause the compromise to the belonging which can be caused due to damage as a result of the violation of the contractual law. It can also be caused with their right to claim for the compensation, causing refund, and also be obliged to compensate as a result of the emotional and mental trauma experienced. It is best advised for the vending machine company private limited to compensate Kelly, not only for the token amount of the drinks, but also to repair the machine and to compensate the customer for the faulty machine. Today, that's all for the presentation for today. Thanks everyone. Thank you.